Good morning students. Previous classes we can discuss the transformation formula, how to remember the transformation formula regarding derivations. Here again we can repeat. I can repeat how to remember the transformations formula. Here college candidate. Here one daadnanತರ here some college candidates one daadnanತರ definitely they can construct new country. College candidates ಒಂದಾದ್ರೆ construct country ಹೊಸ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಯನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Here suppose college candidates ಒಳಗ ನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಬಂತಂದ್ರ here college candidates ಒಂದಾದ್ರ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಯನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ ಒಳಗ ನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಬಂತಂದ್ರ ಟೋಟಲಿ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂದಾದ್ರ ಆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಡೀ ದೇಶ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ನೋಡುವಂಗ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಬಂತಂದ್ರ ದೇಶವೇ ಆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡುವಂಗ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Here this is one small story how to remember the transformation formula. college candidate ಒಂದಾದ್ರ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಯನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ ಒಳಗ ನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಬಂತಂದ್ರ ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂದ್ರ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಯ್. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಯ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ದೆನ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಒಂದಾದ್ರಂದ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲೇನಾಗ್ತದಂದ್ರ ಆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಡೀ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ನೋಡುವಂಗ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಹೌದಾ? ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗ ಏನಾದ್ರು ನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರ ಈ ದೇಶದ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಕಡೆ ತಿರುಗಿ ನೋಡುವಂಗ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Here suppose in place of here C means cos, S means sin. Here we can remember A plus B or A minus B. Suppose first we can use A plus B and A minus B. Here definitely we can choose A and B. Starting we can use C or D. Here in this case we can choose C plus D by 2 or C minus D divided by 2. How to remember formula? Here cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B is equal to here 2 into common ಆಗಿ 2 ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 2 into cos A into cos B. Here how to remember? Cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B is equal to 2 into cos A into cos B. Suppose cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B is equal to minus 2 sin A sin B formula. Similarly, sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B is equal to 2 into sin A cos B formula. Sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B is equal to 2 into cos A sin B. There are 4 formula. Another 4 formula how to remember? Cos C plus cos D. Cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus D divided by 2 into cos of C minus D divided by 2. Similarly, cos C minus cos D is equal to minus 2 sin of C plus D divided by 2 into sine of c minus d divided by 2. Here sine of c plus sine d is equal to 2 into sine of c plus d divided by 2 into cos of c minus d divided by 2. Similarly, sine c minus sine d is equal to 2 into cos of c plus d divided by 2 into sine of c minus d divided by 2. Here, one small story represents 8 important transformation formula. College candidates ಒಂದಾದ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಯನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ ಒಳಗ ನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಬಂತಂದ್ರ ಸೋಶಿಯಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಯ್, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ. ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂದಾದ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ದೇಶ ನೋಡುವಂಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ. ಆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗ ನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಬಂತಂದ್ರ ಇಡೀ ದೇಶವೇ ಆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡುವಂಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. His small story indicates 8 important transformations formula. Look, on the basis of this transformation formula, regarding next problems. Here, these are the very important concepts. Here, cos of 75 degree plus cos 15 degree, cos of 75 degree plus cos 15 degree divided by sine of 75 degree minus sine 15 degree is equal to root 3. Here, by using the concept of this transformation formula, we can choose. Here, first consider LHS part. That is cos of 75 degree plus cos of 15 degree divided by sine of 75 degree minus sine of 15 degree. Here, numerator as well as denominator. Consider numerator as well as denominator. Here, these two concepts are two different formula applicable. Here, first one, cos c plus cos d, sin c minus sin d form. Here, applying cos c plus cos d as well as sin c minus sin d form. Here, we know that cos c plus cos d, cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 into cos c plus d divided by 2 into cos of c minus d divided by 2. Similarly, sin c minus sin d, sin c minus sin d formula is equal to 2 into cos of c plus d divided by 2 as well as sin of c plus d divided c minus d divided by 2. Here, first one, applying cos c plus cos d form, that is 2 into cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 into cos of c plus d divided by 2 formula. Here, c plus d divided by 2. In place of c, 75 degree is there, 75 degree plus in place of d, 15 degree is there, 15 degree divided by 2. 2 into cos c plus d divided by 2 into cos of c minus d divided by 2, that is 75 minus 15 degree divided by 2. Similarly, whole divided by 2 into sin c minus sin d, sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 into cos of 75 degree plus 15 degree divided by 2 into sin of 75 degree minus 15 degree divided by 2. Here 2 get cancelled, cos of is still as well as this term will cancel here. Remaining cos of 75 degree minus 15 degree, that is 60 degree. Cos 60 degree divided by sine of 75 degree minus 15 degree divided by 2 is equal to sine of 60 degree. We know that cos divided by sine, that is equal to cot 60 degree. Cot 60 degree. We know that the value of cot 60 degree is root 3. Cot 60 degree is equal to root 3. Here this is the RHS. RHS 5. Here. Similarly, we can choose here cos C minus cos D form. Cos C minus cos D form. Here cos C minus cos D. Here cos C minus cos D is equal to minus 2 sine of C plus D divided by 2 into sine of C minus D divided by 2. Sine C minus D divided by 2. Here C is equal to pi by 4 minus alpha and D is equal to pi by 4 plus alpha. Pi by 4 plus alpha. Consider LHS part. LHS, that is cos of pi by 4 minus alpha minus cos of pi by 4 plus alpha is equal to minus 2 sine of in place of C we can choose pi by 4 minus alpha, pi by 4 minus alpha and plus pi by 4 plus alpha, pi by 4 plus alpha divided by 2 into sine of pi by 4 minus alpha minus pi by 4 minus alpha divided by 2. Here this term is equal to minus 2 sine of plus alpha minus alpha, plus alpha minus alpha get cancelled. Here pi by 4 plus pi by 4 divided by 2. Here plus pi by 4 minus pi by 4 it cancelled into sine of minus 2 alpha divided by 2, minus 2 alpha divided by 2. Here minus 2 sine of pi by 4 plus pi by 4, 2 pi by 4. Here 2 pi by 4 into 1 by 2. Here 2 get cancelled. This term is equal to 2 get cancelled. Sine of minus alpha, that's equal to 2 into minus 2 sine of pi by 4 into sine of, we know that sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta is equal to minus sine theta. That implies minus sine alpha, Here minus of minus plus 2 into sine pi by 4. Sine 45 degree value is 1 divided by root 2. 1 divided by root 2, minus into minus plus. Here remaining is sin alpha. Sin alpha. That implies here this 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 sin alpha divided by root 2. Here root 2 get cancelled. That implies that is equal to root 2 into sin alpha. That is RHS term. RHS term. Here we can consider cos of pi by 4 minus alpha minus cos of pi by 4 plus alpha. Here this formula is applicable for cos C minus cos D. In place of C we can substitute C value is pi by 4 minus alpha, D value is pi by 4 plus alpha. Here minus 2 as it is, because that is belongs to formula set. Sin as it is, C and D value is substituted here. Minus alpha plus alpha get cancelled. Here pi by 4 minus pi by 4 get cancelled. 2 pi by 4 divided by 2 pi divided by 4 and 2 here 2 get cancelled. We get this result. Here this is formula is very important for 5 marks questions. Cos 130 degree, cos 130 degree plus cos 110 degree plus cos 10 degree is equal to 0. First we can consider LHS part. LHS, that is cos of 130 degree, cos of 130 degree plus cos of 110 degree plus cos of 10 degree, cos of 10 degree. Here rearrange the term, that is equal to cos of 130 degree plus cos of 10 degree, cos 10 degree plus cos of 110. First consider the LHS part as well as rearrange the term, that is cos 130 degree plus cos 10 degree plus cos 110 degree. Here we know that cos C plus cos D. We know that cos C plus cos D form. Cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus D divided by 2 into cos C minus D divided by 2. Here consider these two terms. Consider these two terms and applying cos C plus cos D form. Cos C plus cos D form, that is equal to 2 into cos of, in place of C 30 degree, 130 degree plus 10 degree divided by 2 into cos of 130 degree minus 10 degree divided by 2 plus cos 110 degree. That is equal to 2 into cos of 130 plus 10, 140 divided by 2, that is 70 degree into cos of 130 minus 10, 120 divided by 2, that is 60 degree plus cos of 110 degree. Cos of 110 degree. Here that implies 2 into cos of 70 degree. Cos 70 degree into, we know that the value cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree value is 1 by 2 plus cos of 110. 1 1 0. Here 2 2 get cancelled. Cos 70 is equal to cos 70 degree plus cos of 1 1 10 degree. Here cos 70 degree rewrite as cos of 180 degree minus 110 degree, 110 degree plus cos of 110 degree, cos of 110 degree. Here cos of 180 minus theta, cos of 180 minus theta belongs to second quadrant. 180 minus theta belongs to second quadrant. Its value is minus cos 110 degree plus cos of 110 degree minus plus get cancelled is equal to 0. RHS term. Here consider LHS term and rearrange 130 as well as 10, applying cos C plus cos D form, and here cos 60 value is 1 by 2, 2 get cancelled. Then cos 70 value rewrite 180 minus 110 degree, and cos 180 minus theta, that's minus cos theta. Here minus cos theta plus cos theta get cancelled, we get RHS term. Students, welcome to Konnur online classes. Here previous classes we can discuss some important formula. Here on the basis of cos C plus cos D and cos C minus cos D, sin C plus sin D, sin C minus sin D, cos of A plus B plus cos A minus B, cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B, sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B, sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. Here regarding these formula we can another 4 formulas problems are remaining. Here this is a very important, belongs to 5 marks questions. Here consider LHS part. LHS, that is sine of 6a plus sine of 2a plus 2 into sine of 4a, sine of 4a divided by sine of 7a plus sine of 3a plus 2 into sine of 5a. Consider LHS part. By using these concepts, we can show that is RHS sine 4a divided by sine of 5a. Here applying sine C plus sine D form. Sine C plus sine D form. We know that sine C plus sine D is equal to 2 sine C plus D divided by 2 into cos of C minus D divided by 2. Here 2 into sine of C plus D divided by 2. In place of C, 6a is there. 6a plus 2a divided by 2 into cos of 6a minus 2a divided by 2 plus 2 into sine 4a divided by 2 into sine C plus sine D form. Sine C plus sine D form. 2 into sine of, in place of C 7a is there, in place of D 3a is there. 2 sine 7a plus 3a divided by 2 into cos of 7a plus 3a divided by minus 3a divided by 2 plus sine of 6a plus 2a, that is 8a divided by 2, its value is 4a. Sine of 4a into cos of 6a minus 2a, 6a minus 2a, that is 4a divided by 2 is 2a plus 2 into sine 4a, 2 into sine 4a whole divided by 2 into sine of 7a plus 3a, 10a divided by 2 is sine of 5a into cos of 7a minus 3a, that is 4a divided by 2a, cos of 2a plus 2 into sine of 5a. Here in LHS term we can take 2 sine 4a as common, 2 sine of 4a as common. Here 2 into sine of 4a as taken as common, that is equal to cos of 2a plus 1, cos of 2a plus 1 divided by here 2 sine 5a, 2 sine 5a, take in denominator section we can take 2 sine 5a as common, 2 sine 5a taken as common term, then remaining term is cos of 2a plus 1. Here in this term 2 get cancelled, cos of 2a plus 1, cos of 2a plus 1 get cancelled, remaining as it is here, that is sine of 4a divided by sine of 5a is belongs to RHS term. Sine of 4a divided by sine of 5a is equal to RHS term. Here it's a very important problem. Consider LHS part and take two terms. Here these two terms we can consider starting sin c plus sin d, applying sin c plus sin d form, that is 2 sin of c plus d divided by 2 cos of c minus d divided by 2. Similarly in denominator sections also take sin c plus sin d form, that is 2 sin c plus d divided by 2 into cos of c minus d divided by 2, and simplifying we get RHS term.